You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to say hello. How do you pronounce this word in Welsh? We'll be looking at how to say more interesting, to say the least, Welsh words as well. So make sure to stay tuned to learn more. So this is more the southern way of saying hello in Welsh. Shwmae, Shwmae, Shwmae is how it's said. It's easy, and now you know. More videos for you here to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.